it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away.
Now gurus and new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey little bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by Rpgshow Hair. Shout out to you RPG for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. This particular unit is a bob, as you guys can see, but it does come with clip-ins. It has both blonde clip-ins and red clip-ins, and I'm going to be showing you guys that later on in the video. Right here I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And it looks like a 13x4 frontal wig. I don't have that on my paper, but I think that's what it is. And it is 14 inches long. Now, if you're interested in any more detailed specs and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. And I will see you little bugs in the outro. Bye!
You went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something wrong. I don't wanna see you go, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Early mornings in your bedroom, waking up with you by my side, looking so beautiful. Yeah, I got high when I met you, got me way up in the clouds, and I don't wanna go there, cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Got a lot of demons up in my brain, got a lot of bad thoughts giving me pain. I'm afraid to show you it's underneath, cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, down, down. I don't wanna let you down. Cause baby I got problems in me. Sometimes
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so this unit was sent to me by Rpgshow Hair. Shout out to you, RPG, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. The unit that I am rocking, name is BEBO or BU001. It is in the texture Silky. The length is 14 inches. The color is a natural hair color. The cap size is a 1 or a circumference of 21.5 to 22. That's the circumference, and to me that's a medium cap size. The cap construction is cap B, glueless lace front cap, standard D. Lace color tinted, transparent, Swiss lace light brown. If the wig or lace has been altered or cut, it cannot be returned. So they do have that on here just so you guys will know. Like if you do get the wig and you decide it's not your cup of tea, if you already cut the lace, you cannot ship her back, girl. Okay, so I want to throw that out there because they got it on that paper that they sent me. So I'm gonna tell y'all. Okay, so we ain't got no problem, so we here. Okay, so it does say this wig is in a natural color, which it is. And I don't know how I'm gonna do the thumbnail, but this is like really, for me, it's 3 wigs in 1. I can wear this wig with the blonde highlights. I have red highlights over here, and I also could just take out all the highlights and wear it in a natural color. The construction of this wig, honey, this lace is just like, oh God, the melt, honey. Okay, the melt with this lace is ridiculous. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but the melt is sickening. If you see some white, honey, that's team my bad, because me and that was having some issues, but it had nothing to do with the wig. It had to do with me. But yeah, the lace is just like sickening. Okay, I feel like this is the type of lace that will definitely go, or should go with any type of skin complexion. I do have issues sometimes with lace being too dark, but this lace is just melted effortlessly. I did not put any of my foundation or powder or anything underneath the lace. I literally just put it on, and honey, this is what she is giving. So I'm just gonna let you guys look at that. And if you know me, honey, you already know I am nobody's beautician. That is not her day job, okay? I am not a beautician. So if I can do it, like, that's always my thing with you guys. If you see something that I can do, then you can definitely do it, okay? Yeah, that's that on that with that part of this unit. As far as the construction, if I'm not mistaken, this wig does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, and it also does have one of those pre-attached elastic bands in there, so you can wear this wig glueless if you want to. And I don't think you will have any issues if you wanted to wear it glueless, because honey, I'm telling you, you can get sick. Like, I'm telling you, honey, this lace melts like butter, girl. Okay, so I don't think you will have an issue with it either way. Just, you know, it just depends on what you want to do. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the construction. Now, I do have it in a medium cap size. I'm not sure if you can get it in any other sizes, but I do feel like this wig is big head friendly and you can make it work. Okay, girl? But I do believe you can get it in other sizes. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the construction of this wig. Like I said, the lace, honey. Yeah. So anyways, obviously I don't have to do a length check because, honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. Now, if you're interested in a full 360 as well as more details and specs on how I feel about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, so if you know me, then you know that I generally prefer a shorter bob. I just always feel like shorter bobs fit my face better than longer bobs. When I wear longer bobs, because I have such a stubby neck, they can appear not to be a bob. It just looks like a longer wig. But I'm not mad at this one or the length or even the fact that this is a silky texture. It feels really, really good, and I still feel like it will definitely last. So I really do like the wig despite it not being the texture or the length that I usually go for, because honey, y'all know 10 inches is my thing when it comes to bobs, okay? 10, sometimes 8, okay? I just feel like they look more bob-like on me. But I'm not mad at this. This is giving me grown woman business, sort of casual type of sexy girl, okay? So I'm still not mad at her despite the length being longer than what I personally prefer. I decided not to cut her because I didn't want to mess her up, honey, okay? I may cut her later in life, but right now I just decided I'm gonna wear her as is. But as you can see, when it comes to bobs like this, they come like all the way down here on me, and I prefer my bobs here. Like, I would literally prefer all of this gone. Yeah. So I feel like I'm filming this video looking here instead of here. But anyways, yeah, that's how I feel. I really like the wig. I think it is really cute. I love the fact that you can change it up and you get multiple wigs in one. And I'm actually changed my lipsticks and my outfits and just kind of show you guys what I mean. And maybe add some clips in here just so you guys can see what it looks like despite, you know, to show you more what it looks like without just the pictures. But yeah, I am definitely feeling everything about this wig. I love everything about this company, and honey, this lace is just life, honey. This lace made everything okay for me. It made everything okay for me. This lace is definitely everything. So shout out to you, Rpgshow. And yeah, y'all, that is basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, when I also want to talk a little bit more about the clip-ins, like literally they are clip-ins. Like you open them up like that stick it down. And you can put them wherever you want to. It was 2 of them. It's 2 of them per color for me. And you can just put them where you want them to go, girl. And you can make it look like, to me, when I first got it, it seemed like the color was showing way more. And I wanted more of a peekaboo sort of effect. Like, you can still see the color pretty good on the sides and stuff. But heads on, I just wanted more of a peekaboo effect. And you can do that. You can do whatever you want to when it comes to these clip-ins. And that's what I love about this. I love that concept. I think this concept is really, really great for people that are just afraid of color, or even for people that like to change it up a lot without having to change their wig. I think it is great all across the board. Like, I love this concept. I think it is really, really nice. I'm personally not afraid of color, but honey, my son do not like me to be out here at his school with color. Like, to him, that is like, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. We're black hair, mom. Okay, so literally, if I wanted color and I need to go to my son's parent-teacher conference or whatever, I could literally pop these clips out, go in there and be conservative and be all mom-like, okay? And then get back in the car and transform back into Disastrous Beauty, okay, girl? I could be Christina at that parent-teacher conference and come out and change into Chrissy or Disastrous Beauty. You feel me? So, yeah, I love it. I love the concept of this. And, yeah, y'all, that is basically it. So, let me stop rambling. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience, honey. And yeah, we are done. Okay, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. It's not gonna cost you not 1 red cent, girl. Okay, not 1 penny. Okay, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. On Help Me to See on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.